This is how I build this with the pattern. Let's go! Pattern in this order.
So if you put your pieces like this order, it's gonna be so much easier. And first, we're gonna build all the sizes, front and back. So I modified the pieces a little bit from the original pattern so that we don't have to use glue for this project. And also some of the pieces didn't really fit previously, so now they all work. Now finally, we're adding the top pieces. We're almost done. Alright, so this part might be a little bit loose, so you might want to add the glue to stabilize the piece, otherwise we're good to go. Let's move on to the body. So it will be easier if you put your pieces like this order, and we're just gonna do it together. As you can see, I'm adding one piece on each side and keeping it a balance. You can see we're almost done with the side pieces, and then now we're gonna add the bottom piece, and then the front pieces and the back, then we'll be done. Alright, we got it done. Let's combine with the head. So I like to take out the bottom two pieces from the head and then add it to the bottom first, so that it will be easier to add it together.
Now you have it!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!